Did you know Oskar Picht helped change the lives of blind people over 100 years ago? In the early 1900s, this German inventor created one of the first Braille typewriters. Before his invention, writing and reading in Braille was slow and difficult. But Picht's machine made it so much faster and easier. It meant blind people could write letters, study, and read books more quickly. His invention spread to schools and homes around the world, giving blind people more freedom to learn and communicate. Oskar Picht's impact is still felt today,